Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox. This experience is restricted by your parental controls allowed experiences setting. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This error occurs when you try to join an experience that is not allowed by your parental control settings. Parental controls are a feature in Roblox that allow parents to restrict the types of experiences their children can join. There are two ways to fix this error. 1. Change your parental control settings to allow all experiences. 2. Disable parental controls altogether to change your parental control settings. Follow the steps. 1. Go to the Roblox website and sign into your account. 2. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Select settings. 4. Click on the privacy tab. 5. Scroll down to the parental controls section. 6. Select the all ages option. 7. Click on the save button. Once you have changed your parental control settings, you should be able to join any experience you want. If you don't want to use parental controls at all, you can disable them by following these steps. 1. Go to the Roblox website and sign into your account. 2. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Select settings. 4. Click on the privacy tab. 5. Scroll down to the parental controls section. 6. Toggle the account restriction switch to the off position. 7. Click on the save button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.